MrBeast just killed VidIQ. Really seems that the days of VidIQ being the king of YouTube tools are nearing the end, but are these YouTube tools really that useful? Let me show you what ViewStats Pro can do, what VidIQ can do, and what Jimmy's hiding from us. I've been making videos for a decade now, and when I first started, we didn't have any tools. I had to figure things out on the fly. I had to use only built-in features like search and homepage, literally search and homepage to figure out my next moves. It was a painful process, but now you don't have to struggle this hard. Now you can find almost any info with tools like VidIQ or ViewStats or even with free tools. So let's imagine I'm not an experienced YouTuber, but a total newbie, just created the channel and made a few videos that flopped. And I could continue making videos, hoping that one of them will kickstart the channel, or I could change something, starting with research and finding ideas. It always starts with an idea, and you probably have a bunch of them in mind, but what if your list of ideas is blank? The easiest way in this case would be to research your competitors. And you, my friend, can do that without any tools or browser extensions. Now, first, you can use search. Just look up something from your niche and open up a bunch of popular channels. Then just go through each of them and see what videos they have. Then you can just steal in a good way their video ideas for yourself. You can also use YouTube's homepage to find video ideas. For this, you only need to create a separate empty YouTube account and just start watching videos in your niche. Watch 5 or 10 videos, open up the main page, and there you have it. You got your video ideas. YouTube is great at suggesting interesting videos, and this way you can really find some new, lesser known channels with videos that got far more views than any other video on the channel. Well, ViewStats Pro has a tool dedicated specifically for finding such videos. It's called Outliers. Here you can just type in the keywords for video and see which videos have blown up recently. You can also filter them by view count, channel size, upload date, etc. I think this is a really useful tool that significantly simplifies the research. Manual methods from earlier could have taken 10, 15, 20 minutes to complete, but Outliers tool does it all much faster. Because through the search, you can't properly filter videos or see how much better they did than other channel videos. I wouldn't say that this tool is indispensable, but it's definitely a nice one to have. VidIQ has something similar to Outliers. In the Create tab, there is Reinvent Viral Videos section where VidIQ suggests 4 outlier videos. Only 4 videos with no filters. ViewStats here is miles ahead. VidIQ can also suggest ideas all by itself. In the special Ideas tab every day, you will be getting a couple ideas for your next videos. We'll even predict how well the video will do in terms of views. Even free users of VidIQ have this feature, albeit the number of ideas is limited to only 3 per day. But hey, we'll take what we can get, am I right? And don't think that this ideas feature can somehow transform your content and guarantee good views. It's merely an assistance, a guide in hand, a source of inspiration, nothing more. So in terms of research and video ideas, ViewStats here is more useful, just gives exactly what you need without all the fuss or complications. ViewStats can also notify you when a video on a certain topic goes viral with this alerts tool. Basically, you tell ViewStats what type of videos you want to monitor for, and each time such a video gets views, you will get notified. I see this tool more like something for inspiration, finding the right moment to jump on the hype train. Though to all these tools, there's also a free alternative, and this time it comes straight from YouTube itself. Inspirations. You can find them in the Analytics tab. YouTube shows you videos relevant to your channel's topic, previous videos you made, etc. Though for this to be really useful, you have to already have some content. YouTube really needs to have your niche figured out before suggesting you any inspirations. After seeing all the effort, you may think, why don't I just start learning all this stuff myself? You can very much do that. It will take some time, but will be worth it. And to make your journey a bit easier, let me invite you to our exclusive training. We've created this super detailed and informative set of lessons that will take you from creating a channel, finding your niche, to creating videos start to finish. We teach how to find ideas and do the research, how to write scripts, how to set up a studio and shoot the video. We've composed years of experience into just 3 hours of in-depth training. And most of that information is unique, and each advice is backed up by proofs. With all this, you can learn all the ropes and get much more confident in what you do with your content and your channel. So be sure to check it out, the link is in the description. So, description and tags. Write whatever you like, as long as it's not deceiving viewers. And that's it. This doesn't really matter. YouTube already knows your niche and knows whom to show you video to. Tags and description can only help it understand it faster. Though if you do care about traffic from search, you might want to add a couple tags. And here VidIQ can help you out. It has quite powerful keyword research capabilities where for each tag you type, it shows its search volume and competition. First, you start with low competition tags and gradually shift towards high competition tags. But instead of focusing on tags and video description, you better create a good thumbnail. Creating a thumbnail is like science, but just like videos, it starts with the idea. You could, once again, use the manual search or homepage, or you can use thumbnail search in ViewStats Pro. Lets you paste a link to any video and see how other channels design their thumbnail or how they copied the thumbnail. You can also upload your own and see how other creators did it. This part in particular I find to be really useful. Sometimes you have the thumbnail idea in mind, but after creating it, something just feels off, like something's missing. Jimmy now lets us see similar thumbnails that worked, which is amazing for finding ideas. ViewStats also lets you just describe the thumbnail before you even start creating it, and this is an absolute must-have for inexperienced YouTubers. Just makes it so much easier. If I was a young YouTuber now, I dig that feature. And if you're somewhat experienced already, then you will enjoy the next tool, A/B testing thumbnails. But don't get too excited because it's not you who's going to be doing the testing, it's other YouTubers. And you will be able to see the entire process, which thumbnails they started with, how they iterated between them, and which ones became the final ones. Knowing all this can be super important for understanding how thumbnails work, how other creators manage to find the right keys to their audience and all that. I do really like how ViewStats leans heavily into helping you research better and educating yourself instead of trying to do everything for you. There is this common misconception about tools like VidIQ or ViewStats Pro. People think that if they buy the subscription, their channels will magically become popular. But it doesn't work like that. These tools aren't made to do the job for you. They're here only to make your job slightly easier, slightly more convenient. Even with all the research features that ViewStats offers, you still have to make your own decisions, write your own scripts, and shoot your own videos. You have to design the thumbnails yourself and learn how to do it better. You need to understand that Jimmy got where he is right now, not because of the tools he used, but because of his knowledge of how YouTube works. And me, I also got where I am today, not because of VidIQ or any similar tool. I got here through years of perseverance and learning day by day. And at this moment, you might be thinking about ditching this whole idea and just praying for the best, making video after video, learning stuff just like I did many years back. You can surely do that, but I think it would be foolish to ignore the tools that can take you to the top faster. Again, ViewStats won't make you popular, but it will at least light your way and give insights you may have never thought you needed. You can use ViewStats, you can use VidIQ, or you can use nothing. It's your choice, but ask yourself, do you have the motivation to wait more? Can you keep making videos after 10 videos fumble? Seems like you already know what to do.